Because I'm worth it.
You are worth it.
I would never let that line go.
You talked about the 40-day being the 40-day health challenge being a reset. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, I don't see it as a challenge. It's like I said a few minutes ago, like I've done the food, I've done the exercise, I've done all the different bits, but this to me now is like, well, I was going to say someone pressing it, but now after my light bulb moment with Meatloaf, I realise that it's me pressing that reset button, and this is the start of the reset change that has to come. It has to come. Like it's now hitting my body physically. Like you know, mentally for years I've probably managed stress and ran around after everyone, but.
So I like that. It's this is me hitting the reset button.
This is me hitting the reset
We're like the
button.
coaches around you, your supporters.
I'm just pulling
all
out
of us, all of us, including our other challengers as well. The one word I'm going to bring up now for this piece of intervention, if you want, right? Is it sounds like you blame yourself a lot. Okay. I'm looking straight at you now, right? And you're saying you have to do this and you should do this and. I hear a sort of, why did you let yourself get into this state?
Yeah.
That's the thought pattern I'm listening behind that.
Yeah.
I want you to start your reset with compassion towards yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's what I'm missing. Yeah, you know, like...
Because that compassion, that internal compassion, it's not when you come home at night time and you have something and you treat yourself. That's not compassion. It's how you talking to you.
Yeah.
We're plugged in. Our voices are plugged into us.
Yeah.
And that voice, I want you to try and listen to that voice.
I've
First
tried.
of all,
I listen again since that assessment day. Like this has been just, I can't explain what it's done facing up to those numbers, but like I've listened to the way I talk to myself, you know, and I've listened to the way I talk to the girls, you know, my kids.
Yeah.
And I want that. Like, I want that as well for me.
Of course, yeah.
You know, sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
You know, so that's what I. Yeah. That's what I need.
That's component. What does compassion sound like? Compassion sounds like the way you talk to your daughter.
Yeah.
Compassion sounds like the way you talk to your family.
Yeah.
And that you know then what compassion sounds like.
Yeah.
So trying to get that
try and
voice.
talk to me. Yeah.
It's about tuning down, becoming aware of that internal voice.
Yeah.
Okay, which it sounds harsh, critical, punitive. And tuning that
Trying
down.
to change it a little.
And then listening to how will I speak to my children and then using that for yourself.
Yeah.
And even just becoming that awareness. So that's the tuning in bit. Lots of change, but you're well able for it. And we're just, it's a focus really for us.
Where to start? So much change.
Well, there's a lot.
Take a big deep breath to start with.
It's a structured plan.
Yeah.
And that planning is going to be critical.
Yeah.
The last day or two, I've nearly wanted to walk around with a paper bag over my head. A lack of self-confidence in myself. I don't know why I'm mortified. I think it's all to do with how I perceive myself. Slowly, I have realised that there are lots of areas in my life that I have a good right to be confident in. There is a brand new version of Denise reappearing out the other end of the 40 days.
Huge contrast, isn't it?
Huge.
Can you think
Huge.
back to when I first met you?
Yeah. That girl in the video is like a different person. Like, yeah.
Like when we did the assessment before you started, like your mood was quite flat, wasn't it?
Very flat.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. You always manage to do it.
But I'm sort of just trying to, I mean, it's...
Oh, God.
Yeah, you're okay. No, it's okay.
You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a low place to be.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. I know, when you reflect back, there's been a
huge shift.
Yeah, a big shift, yeah.
Huge.
It's been a big shift, yeah.
Huge. Yeah. Yeah. In just 40 days.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
And what's remarkable is you're the person that did this, Denise.
Yeah.
It's you're the person that put yourself out there. It's you that took the risk.
Oh,
it's
God.
you that sat in the car at times and your energy was low.
Yeah.
It's you that we admire hugely. Having young family, travelling to work, doing long shifts.
Yeah.
It's
all those balls in the air.
Yeah.
You know, my sister and even her husband said it recently.
Yeah.
They said she's just so tolerant of everything, you know. That I've the same balls in the air to juggle, you know, and before one thing had crashed, the whole thing had come crashing down, you know, and even the same stuff is still thrown at me.
Yeah.
But I'm just more tolerant, probably because I'm fueling my body and moving and
And your coping mechanisms are different.
Different. So totally different.
Your pattern, if you think about your habitual patterns, your pattern, as I understand it, is you'd be stressed, upset, and you then basically eat on a car journey home with convenience food and chocolate and stuff like that as a way of self-soothing your stress.
I think I described it on one of the videos somewhere as like a coil, you know, that I was in this coil of stress, you know, and the more I tried, again going back to trying to do the quick fix of whatever it was, you know, and the more I tried to untangle that coil, the tighter it was getting, you know, that I just couldn't get out of it because I was so stressed and then I was eating wrong and feeling crappier than more than better, you know.
And where would you describe that coil now as a matter of interest?
Oh, like a flat line, like a straight line.
Okay,
like it's, it's.
There's a huge contrast. I mean, there's, you know, often we see the last day, you know, we understand that you've done amazing, right? The numbers are good and people are in good form and that. But the contrast is huge for you. Yeah. And I'm so pleased for you and I'm so proud and I'd encourage you to journal. Actually, this is what I want you to think about, okay? Think of a traffic light model, red, amber, green. You are in the red zone.
Yeah, completely.
Yeah. You are in the green zone. Okay, now some people don't realise they go straight from green to red. They go, right? But there is a signature, a relapse signature. Like, so you notice if you're pulling in and you're eating crap, that's an early signature for you. Does that make sense? Yeah? If you're not doing planning on your food, which I think was actually very critical it was key, then you know that's another, if you're not doing as much planning or focus, you're gone into the orange zone as well. So even if you recognise you're gone into the orange zone, you don't go straight from green to red. You go, oh, I'm going in, this is what you are developing. What I want you to think about is a unique relapse signature for you. And there's some of the key components of that.
That I'll be able to hopefully pull myself back
and then
out of.
That's it. You'll understand I'm in the amber zone. I need to redouble down here now. I need to focus on whatever it is. Resistance exercise, I've dropped that. I've dropped the food planning. I'm driving the car in. I'm eating more. I'm saying to myself, everyone else's needs come before my needs. These are all in your. This is your unique.
That was all in the red before.
So this is. You got to realise the behaviours in the amber zone. This is your unique signature, relapse signature, and then you're able to pull yourself out of it. You've done amazing. I'm really proud. Well done. Super. You are worth it.
I am. I'm never going to live that down. Yes. I am worth it.
Yes.
Thank you.
19 pounds down in 40 days.
No.
Your cholesterol was 5.08, and today your total cholesterol is 4.64.
You've lost 8 inches off your waistline.
The hardest step to take in changing anything is the first one, and you've taken it.
In 40 days, you can change the habits of a lifetime. This is a challenge that anyone can do. Standing in front of a chair, backs nice and straight. Resistance exercise is brilliant for absolutely everything.
Oh, sit on the dog.
Great work, you're doing really well, Gary.
Day one, my push-ups were 6, and today I did 24, so that's a fairly hefty increase. Delighted with that, and I feel much stronger in my upper body.
Well done for attempting the 40-day health challenge. It will definitely push you outside your comfort zone, but in a good way, and you'll actually surprise yourself by what you like, and trust me, you will not be hungry.
So this is going to be an amazing 40 days. Come back here every day. You're going to get tips and skills that you can use to make a change right away.
It's your first one.
Why wait? Start today.